try with a truck?
Sure.
Okay.
So would you go a little sooner?
You just put the brake light in the small window.
No? Okay.
Yep. Nice 45, perfect. Yeah, you don't have to worry about the signal anymore.
Okay.
No harm if you put it on, but if you don't, it's okay. Oh, the other way. Okay, we'll stop right here because so had you turned the wheels the correct way, then you would have been perfect.
Better?
Yeah, it's just when you're reversing, you're turning the wheels the wrong way because you're not used to backing up. Like it's we're not born walking backwards, right? It's like it's weird. Everybody goes through this too. It gets a little confusing. But the more you go through this, more that you do that, you'll get used to which way to turn the wheels. Think about the back end of your car. If you want your car to go, your back bumper to go to the left, you steer it to the left.
Okay.
Yeah. Instead of thinking left hand and right hand, you think which way do you want the back end to go.
Back. Okay.
Let's take off. And we're gonna go straight. We're gonna turn left here. They're extending this road all the way out to Maley.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going to be nice. So just after the first roadway, we'll pull it over and we'll park the vehicle.
Would I be able to fit in this?
Yep. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so this one, because there's no curb, would you just leave it? Or
No,
would
you
you
got
go
to turn.
this way?
So this one here, you want your wheels to be turned towards.
Towards, okay.
Yeah, because that way then if the car does roll, then it'll roll right off the road like that.
In there?
When you don't have a curb and you turn your wheels to the left, then there's nothing there to catch your tire, right? So to just roll right over that and then out into traffic.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Okay.